The Prisma Smart Max does not contain an internal battery, therefore it must remain connected to the mains power during use. Before starting therapy, ensure the power cable is securely connected. The grey air filter should be cleaned once a month. To do this, remove the filter and either shake away any dust or rinse it under clean running water. Allow the filter to dry before replacing it. The grey filter should be replaced with a new one every 6 months. The white pollen filter should be replaced once a month. Do not wash or rinse this filter. Connect the circuit tubing to the outlet port on the front of the device. Before starting therapy, ensure the mask is fitted comfortably and securely. Attach the opposite end of the circuit tube to the port on the mask. To begin therapy, simply press and immediately release the power button. The device will begin operating automatically. To stop therapy, press and immediately release the power button again. Remove the humidifier lid by lifting one of the edges. Fill the humidifier chamber with water up to the indicated marker, then securely reattach the lid by lining up the locking mechanism. On the device, press and hold the release button whilst pulling the side cover away. Attach the humidifier in its place, making sure to line up the ports. To clean the humidifier, first unscrew the metal heating rod and remove. Clean each component according to the device instructions before reassembling.